Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Kenworth W900L factory built glider kit day cab. Built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed, has a wet kit. It's only got 210,000 original miles. Gonna be hard to find a glider kit with any less miles than that. Probably not gonna be out there that's got anywhere close. I've got it hot. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by, oil pressure, the whole 9 yards, show you exactly what you're looking at up close and personal. Let's go ahead and get started. All new tires all around. Blow by looks fantastic. Body and paint's in excellent condition. Engine compartment's clean. Southern truck, no rust. All aluminum wheels. Brakes are excellent and new. Rubber's fantastic. VIT interior. Do love the extended cab of these W900s. Fantastic. Here's your wet kit controls. Extra gauges. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. And the oil pressure climbs up there just like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. Thanks for watching.